Look at how nice it is. Wala na snow. No more snow. Hopefully. Yeah, no more snow. Toby, come over here. Toby. Do not climb. Go get your toy. Where's your toy? Where's your toy? Play with Alan. Now I'm cooking steak, guys. Look at. I'm cooking steak. Yummy. I'm hungry. Oh, no, you pin. Not good. Yummy. Yummy food. Our dinner for tonight is steak. Yummy. Better than Roadhouse. It's true. Because I have a very good seasoning here. Allah, what's that? What's that to be? I wanna hold to till I die. What? Hello, babies! Kaluis ako mga babies. Look at that. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm here in my yard. We're so happy. Right, Ali? Right? We're so happy today. And Ali's so tired. Are you busy today, Ali? That's why you're tired? Huh? And Toby's busy too, right? So that's for today.